Today we're diving into something everyone asks at least once a week. What should I make for dinner tonight? And if you're a vegetarian or just love plant-based Indian food, you are in for a treat. Here are the best 5 Indian dinner ideas for vegetarians that are tasty, wholesome and easy to whip up. Number 1. Paneer butter masala with garlic naan. Let's start strong with a restaurant-style favorite. Rich, creamy paneer butter masala. Chunks of soft paneer soaked in a silky tomato-based gravy infused with butter, cream and spices. Pair it with fresh garlic naan or even some Zeera rice and you've got comfort food that feels fancy. Number 2. Vegetable Pulao with Raita. If you're short on time but still want something delicious, Veg Pulao is your best friend. It's basically fragrant basmati rice cooked with seasonal veggies, whole spices and a splash of ghee. Serve it with a cooling cucumber or bundi raita and maybe a side of pickle. Number 3. Chole with Bhature or rice. You can't go wrong with chole, a spicy tangy chickpea curry. You can keep it light with steamed basmati rice or go all in with fluffy bhature for a true North Indian indulgence. Add some sliced onions, a squeeze of lime and maybe a green chili if you're feeling brave. This one's a soul-satisfying classic. Number 4. Stuffed parathas with dahi and achar. Dinner doesn't always need to be a thali. Sometimes a couple of hot stuffed parathas and a bowl of curd is all you need. Go for aloo, gobi, paneer or even mixed veg stuffing. Make them crispy with a little ghee on the tawa, serve with plain yogurt and your favorite pickle and you've got a dinner that's both filling and nostalgic. Number 5. Dosa Sambar and coconut chutney. Who says dosa is just for breakfast? Crispy dosa, hearty sambar and a scoop of fresh coconut chutney make for a light but protein-packed dinner. And if you're short on time, even an instant rava dosa works like a charm. So there you have it, 5 absolutely delicious Indian vegetarian dinners that you can rotate through the week without ever getting bored. Which one's your favorite? Or do you have a go-to veg dinner ideas that we should try? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.